Now, what to do with all those acupuncture points? As mentioned before, it's not necessary to massage all those points before you actually do the movement. But it can help to know where certain points are in terms of your intent and how you use your focus when you work on your body. Just knowing that there are certain areas that you activate with your exercises will already increase the effect of the exercise. It's literally that simple. Not knowing what a certain movement does, not knowing where certain energy centers are, means that you perform an exercise with all your awareness on the things that you do know. And the things that you do know is, how do I position my legs? Maybe how do my joints feel? When do I have to breathe in and when do I have to breathe out? Just simply the knowledge of where there are energy activated points or points that can be activated using movement and energy in combination, this again will take a next level into your exercises already. Why? Because the consciousness opens up a little part of your awareness towards these energy aspects as well. Thus, you're not only focusing on your physical structure, your physical exercises, no matter which ones those are, you also have this breathing aspect and you have this energy aspect and you have a general intent, talking about it later. And all that combined, that's what actually makes the difference between a simple aerobic exercise or Qigong. So Qigong is never simply about movement. And on the extreme other side, Qigong is never only about focusing and imagining a certain energy flow in the body. It's always about the combination, because as soon as you focus just on one thing, singularly, your awareness gets focused on that specific thing, which means that energy is drawn away from other aspects. Now, as long as we are physical human beings that have a connection to their consciousness, as long as that's the case, the physical body is something not to forget about. So it's important to incorporate all those different aspects and let them work together in the exercises in order to have the best possible outcome.